Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making kimchi fried rice. All ingredients and measurements are in the description. To start, dice green onions and place in a bowl. And do the same with your yellow onion. Smash and chop garlic. You can chop a carrot or buy carrots pre-chopped if you want to save time. Place your pre-made kimchi in a bowl, roasted seaweed, and 2 eggs. You will need white rice or brown rice. Heat oil in a pot or pan. Add your onions and saute. Add garlic, carrots, kimchi. Add soy sauce. Add fermented red pepper paste. Add 2 eggs, then scramble. After a minute, mix and add the rice. Add salt and mix. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn off the heat and add roasted seaweed and green onions and mix together. When served, you can add fried egg if you like. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.